Hello everybody and welcome back. My name is Jinabo8. Today we're on the desktop of my computer, of course. But this is kind of late to do this, but I wanted to do it now just to show you guys how I have done my resource pack, and also teach you guys how to create your own resource pack. So just to show this to you all of how to create it first, we're going to show you how I created it first. Resource packs. This is mine right here, languages, and I gave it a picture. Also, not all of the pictures have been modified. The languages, though, those have been modified. Also, the sounds, the records that I have, they're all different sounds. The text that appear, splashes, the splashes that show up in the main menu, as you can see over here. Also in here, the GUI, I made some widgets. This is what it will look like if you were in-game and also in the main menu. Also the icons, which will look like this, has appeared right over here. So this is what it looks like when it's looking for a server. It's trying to ping it and all that. It'll do this rainbow effect that I have going on there. Okay, and also to put it in action, we're going to go to Minecraft and log in with it. I keep getting all these freaking applications open all at once. I don't want it to. Just Minecraft. Okay, so now I'm going to be using 1.8.4. Anything lower than 1.7, it's not going to work. I've already tested that. Because they updated instead of just texture packs, quote quote texture packs, those files are a lot different now. So now 1.8's out and you can now put in whatever you want. So the logic is, if you just have one folder, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't mean like all the textures are gone, but just sounds and everything. You have to edit everything if you want X-ray or something. But that's a totally different story, because I don't want anyone that's watching this to create an X-ray mod or anything like that. Just deal with the resource packs that you have and just create one that you enjoy the most. And it does not take this long to load, I'm pretty sure, because it loads quick and easy for me. Yeah, I don't have any professional software, I'm sorry. Okay, here we go. So this is what it looks like when I'm in the main menu. I have the panorama in the background. I have my custom logo, the splashes, and plus the widgets and the languages have been customized. We go to multiplayer, you can see the rainbow effect already, as seen on the screen. Multiplayer looks different, everything looks italic, stuff like that. Also down here, it's scanning for a network, a lot different than just making a 0 and a lowercase o on the bottom. And this is my server, totally changed. I did do a server resource pack, but I'm working on that. That's a work in progress. This is apparently a panorama. I'm going to teach you guys that later on in another video. It looks pretty easy to do, not going to lie. I did this. This is actually my first world that I've ever created in Minecraft. The first world I've ever made in my entire life. But enough of that stuff. We're going to create a resource pack together, like a normal person. We're going to create this YouTube. So now this is YouTube. And I'm going to put something in the description that you guys are going to copy. It's called pack.mcmeta. Right now I'm using Notepad++ for this video, so just use whatever kind of software that you want to use. Not like something crazy, but you know, just something that you can edit this and put these in. So this is what you have to put in, and the description is going to show up at the bottom of the name of the resource pack. So I put in buy pies are great, which is my Minecraft name. So it will say that at the bottom of the screen, bottom of the name of the resource pack that you put in. So I'm just gonna copy this for now. If you want to create one by yourself, you would use just regular Notepad if you can launch it. Just search for it in here; it'll open for you. So we'll go to YouTube. We'll paste that pack.mcmeta, and for the assets, of course, for those, you can just create the folders as you go. Okay, so we're gonna do that today. We're gonna go folder, assets, new folder, Minecraft, and anything can be in here. Like what I was saying. Like if you have a texture that you want to put in, like a block or something like that, if you don't add any of these, then that's fine, because then the version of Minecraft would load the texture for you. So so you don't have to worry about it at all. You can just leave it alone and just customize whatever you want to customize. So let's do the what you call them? How about the language? How about the language file? So in here we have all the things that will be displayed when you're in that menu. So it says GUI.done. I made this is a section symbol, which is Alt 167, 0167, I think. I'm not sure. Let me test that. Okay, yeah, it is. And for Mac, I think it's Alt 6, or no, wait. Oh my God, I'm thinking. Control or Alt. Just try whatever, and then press 6 or 7 or 8 and see whatever pops up. If it's this symbol, then you got it correct. And then it's all essential colors, so I'll put that in the description for you. And then all of those you can modify whatever you want it to say. Like let's say multiplayer, we want to say like screw you or something like that. Actually, I'm actually kind of curious. I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna go to where everyone wants to go, which is the multiplayer. So when it says multiplayer.title, it says at the top. I'm just kidding. I'm not really gonna put that in there. Hi, YouTube. Okay, so now it will say hi YouTube in the beginning. Wait a minute, this is in my thing. I just realized that. Yeah, I'm not gonna modify that one. Okay, I'm gonna do something quick. I'm gonna copy this. I know I can do the shortcut, but I'm not gonna do that right now, because right now my hand is occupied. LOL. Okay, I'm gonna create a folder called lang. Okay, for languages, and then paste the language file in here. It says lang file, as you can see. .lang is a lang file. If you want to create your own custom thing, I mean, go ahead and try, but make sure you copy these first. Copy the beginning first, and then continue on. But I think it's important that you copy the whole language file, so you can customize it whenever you want. All right, let me go to the multiplayer. Okay, we want to say hi YouTube, so it says YouTube right there. So we'll save it, and then we'll exit out. As you can see, that is a language file. We don't need to put in a .png file for the pack picture. It doesn't really matter. We don't need to do that. It's not that important. Unless you want to, you can take one of these, I think. But it needs to match the size of 32 by 32, I think, or 16 by 16. I think it's 32 by 32. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it's actually the same. I'm not looking at another screen. I only have one screen in this room. It's kind of funny. But oh yeah. Oh, that's a nice welcome screen right there. Well, that's unfortunate. I didn't want that to appear, but we don't care. So our .mcmeta appeared. As you can see, BiPis are great. BiPis are great. The PNG file, which is up here, that's what it appears as. This one I kind of copied because I was kind of curious to see what they replaced. And in Warlords, they replaced most of the tools and stuff instead of the swords. I mean that's kind of equal. That's a good thing to do, because then the stats of the swords and stuff would kind of make stuff OP and would probably make the game uneven. Oh, okay, there you go. There, our language file worked. It says hi YouTube at the top. I don't know why. I mean, I just took off my resource pack. See? I did that. Why did it appear? I'm stupid. I'm that stupid. Oh my god. I copied the whole language file, right? And then I only edited one line of it, just to make it say hi YouTube at the top. Wow. Well, that just makes everything. That just makes sense to me. Okay. Well, that's our first lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed. There's going to be more videos later on, so I can show you guys how to edit more things in the resource pack. But that's just a start for you guys to get to the point of it. Although, if you guys are looking for that language file, it's in your .minecraft. Oh, also, if you guys don't know how to get to your .minecraft, it's %appdata%. Then it's .minecraft at the top. It always goes at the top. And assets, we'll delete that one out. And virtual legacy lang. Okay, yeah. Then you're looking for en underscore us. It's an en. Why? I'm kind of stupid, so I'm not like, it's not my actual objective to look for it, but it is in here. It's in here, all right. Just keep looking. It's under another file, which, fun fact, it is actually the Pirate Talk. I think I just saw it. EU could be it. Underscore. You know what? I'm just wasting too much time just trying to find it, but it is in there. And if you are looking somewhere else, then you probably might have screwed up. Or otherwise, you could go to your versions, not to your virgins, but your versions, and then go to this. Open up with WinRAR. With Mac, I would probably change the name of it. Then, oh yeah, and then take the assets folder if you want to copy the whole thing for your texture pack. Then lang, and then en underscore us. That's where it is. That's how I got it too. So that's where you get it. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in the next one.